I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming how full your device is and backing up what matters. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open your file manager and sort by size so you can act fast. Delete obvious large files like installers and old media and clear app caches. This frees space immediately. Make sure to empty the recycle or trash. Space isn't reclaimed until you do. These first steps cut bloat quickly and set you up for deeper work. You now run a storage analyzer to reveal hidden space hogs and large folders, because visualizing usage speeds decisions. Once identified, delete or archive big files, compress when practical, and move media to an external or cloud location to reduce local load. Make sure to uninstall apps you no longer use and hunt down their leftover data folders. These often contain megabytes to gigabytes. Finally, reorganize active. You finish by automating maintenance so storage stays low without constant effort. Turn on automatic cleanups, schedule trash empties, and enable offloading of unused apps. This prevents gradual accumulation. Once automated, monitor your storage weekly and set a 90% alert so you act before problems. If space doesn't free after deletions, run disk repair tools and check for hidden snapshots or shadow copies that lock capacity. If errors persist, restore from backup or contact support to avoid data corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.